Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. Paul Perez, Texas Family Roofing. Scenario, you have a insurance claim for a full roof replacement. The question is, do you need to get 3 estimates for this insurance claim? The answer coming up. Guys, thanks for checking in with me. We're gonna go over this video real quick. Sorry for the attire, I'm actually not working today. Today's Sunday. My girls are asleep, so I'm here. I'm actually came to the office. We just built these new offices. Wanted to see if we had AC for tomorrow's meeting. It looks like it's pumping. As you can see, this big old, looks like a spider of ductwork up there, but we do have cold air. We're gonna have such a good time on Monday. Everybody's gonna be nice and cold. Bring your jackets, everybody. So here we go. You have an insurance claim for your roof replacement. And I think as we were brought up and you know, as we grow up and we learn to hire contractors or anybody that's going to be doing stuff on our home, we've always been taught to get 3 estimates. That's just how it is. Get 3 estimates, pick the cheapest, right? With insurance claims, it's not the same. You know, let me give you an example of exactly what's going to happen. When you call your insurance, they're going to send out an adjuster. The adjuster is going to come out. If you do have damage, he's going to do the estimate for you now. Things have changed now. It's not about how much it's going to cost. The insurance company is now going to do that work for us. They are going to get on your roof. They're going to do a satellite imagery and they're going to determine you have damage. Okay. And then they're going to say, okay, we're going to pay for this roof. The only thing that you're responsible for is going to be your deductible. So let's just say that your deductible is $2,000. So when you are done with the insurance adjuster, just know that your estimate is $2,000. So you're not really getting 3 estimates. What you want to do is you want to do 3 interviews. Call 3 roofers and say, let me figure out who I like the best. So it's not about the dollar amount because the insurance is going to pay for it. Yes, all you're responsible for is those $2,000. Everything else will be covered by the insurance to replace your roof. So what you want to do is you want to do 3 interviews. Let's just say us, right? Because I'm the one making the video. Texas Family Roofing, you're going to call us and say, hey, come on over. I want to see what you guys offer. Then you're going to say, let me call roofer B or roofer number 2, then roofer number 3. So you're actually doing 3 interviews because you know exactly how much money you're paying out of pocket. Your out of pocket is going to be the $2,000, which is your deductible. So you call us, we come out, we tell you what we offer. We look at your roof, say, yep, we're looking good. We're going to offer you this shingle, this synthetic. This is the kind of work that we do. This is all of the benefits you get for using us. Then roofer number 2, you're going to interview them and say, well, what do you guys offer? What kind of shingles do you offer? What kind of warranty do you offer? What does it all entail? Then you're going to go to roofer number 3. What do you guys offer? It's not so much about the dollar amount because we know the dollar amount already because the insurance put the dollar amount. So all you're having to worry about is your deductible, which in this case is only $2,000. And then who do you know? Who do you like? And who do you trust? Right? For us, that's really what we're trying to do. We're trying to make sure that you know who we are. We're trying to make sure that you like us. And then we want to show you that you can trust us as well for a big project like that. So really in reality, you're not doing the 3 estimate. You're not doing 3 estimates. You're doing 3 interviews because the dollar amount will stay the same no matter what on an insurance claim. Only your deductible, which is $2,000. Listen, if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. On this video, this is going up on YouTube, so don't forget to subscribe. And then also reach out to us online. You know, our office number is 210-749-1313. You can always reach out to me. I respond to all the comments. That's pretty much how it works now. You know, I think insurance companies have changed the way they do things. Before I'll have to make another video of how they used to do it before and how everybody got out of paying their deductible and what they used to do with their money. But I think that'll be saved for another time. Listen, thanks for watching this video. If you learned something, click that like button. And then also, if you'd like to buy me a coffee, there's a link down there. You can buy me a coffee if you learned anything. I haven't had anybody buy me a coffee yet, but I'm looking forward to it. And when I do, I'm going to document it because it'll be a big milestone for me. Anyway, you guys have a good one. We'll see you soon. Hey guys, before we end this video, I just want to say one more thing. If your roofing contractor is waiving your deductible, the only thing that you're doing there, well, let me tell you what you aren't doing. You're not saving money. So let's go back to that scenario, your $2,000 deductible. You're not saving $2,000. What you're doing is you're gonna receive $2,000 less work on your roof. So it may be anything like maybe the hardware up there will not be replaced. Maybe they're not going to remove that layer of felt. Maybe they're going to be using inferior products. You know, something that's expired, something that's not good. Those $2,000 are coming out of something. So you're not actually saving it. The only thing that you're doing is you're not paying it, and something's not getting done on the roof. Hope this helps. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.